Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful Jaguar XF 2.2 luxury automatic, 69,000 miles, 8 main dealer services by Marshall's Jaguar, serviced at 5, 12, 22, 31, 38, 44, 58 and serviced by us I think at 69 or maybe Marshall, but all or mainly Jaguar service history, 69,000 miles, lovely. Dark blue metallic, barley leather, got reverse camera, front park sensors, headlamp washers, daytime LED, running lights. Priced at £6,495. I think you'll agree it's a very nice Jaguar XF, done sensible miles with very good service history. Reverse cam, I can see it there above the number plate. Rear park sensors as well. Dunlop tyre and an immaculate alloy wheel. Budget tyre and an immaculate alloy wheel. Front disc and pads look fairly new. Nice contrasting barley leather, fitted rubber mats, electric seats, electric steering column, multifunction steering wheel, sat-nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio. Very clean car inside. Lot of car for £6,495 with this sort of history. Only done 69,000 miles from new. It's like new in the back. MOT till September next year. Super clean in the boot. Not knocked about at all. Very nice. Pretty car this. Another wheel, not corroded. So 3 Dunlop Sport Max tyres and 1 odd tyre. Both Dunlop Sports on this side. Loads of tread on. £69,483 miles. As I say, got reverse camera, park sensors, 2 keys, lots of Marshall's Jaguar service history. 2012 on a 62. Very nice car that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to see our other Jaguars in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again and nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our channel, you will get a notification every time we have a fresh car come into stock. Then you would be one of the first people in the country to know we've had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today and goodbye.